Hi guys, welcome to the channel. This is one of those days you wait for the weeks and weeks and weeks, and then all of a sudden you get a call from the authorised dealer that your Rolex is in stock. Usually the people I buy these watches, I present them nicely in their boxes, so yeah, in this case I got it nicely wrapped. So that's nicely presented. We'll open it up. Oh, got the wrong one, look at that. Fitting wrapping for a fitting watch. Oh, got the wrong one, look at that. Fitting wrapping for a fitting watch. Okay, we'll get into it. Pretty exciting. It's in a outer cardboard box. Coronet of the Rolex symbol. Submariner booklet. But there, we'll check this together. Wow. I'll just see if you guys can hear the clicks. Not sure if you would have been able to hear those clicks or not, but compared to the Tudor Black Bay GMT I bought a couple of months back, the bezel clicking is a lot smoother. Plus guys, it's all common practice now and everyone knows that anything you buy off the authorised dealer, all the stickers, everything around the watch, well, they're all taken out now, so all taken off, so you don't get that chance to do that again because of the supply and demand of these watches. But yeah, overall I think a great looking watch, and I'll have to put a video against the Pepsi GMT Tudor and just see how they look that way, but overall it's a very nicely finished watch. Looks the part, well worth the wait, and I can see me zooming around the paddocks on this on the motorbike and just see how it performs. So apart from that, well, hope you enjoyed the unboxing, and I might give you a bit closer look at the watch itself, and then we'll call it a wrap on that. By the way, speaking of the glide dot system, you just release and move it back in and out like that. We'll try it halfway, snap it back in. Oh yeah, that's better. It was a bit tight at first because I felt it grabbing me, but when you look now, there's no doubt about the Submariner is a nice looking watch. And when they were talking earlier on about the maxi case, and it doesn't really look that large to me on the wrist. So I think overall, it's a nice looking watch, good value. Anyone interested in buying one should definitely put their name down at the AD and hold out until they get one. And once again, thanks very much for looking, and I might do an update later on this particular watch against the GMT Pepsi in the Tudor. Thanks for watching.